Refreshing. Except for the germs. Because if you use one of these, you're basically drinking from a toilet every day. Here's what happens. Straws have a dark, moist inner wall, the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. Hey you. Now combine that with all the saliva, stale soda, whatever chunky milk smoothie residue that gets caught in here, and suddenly you've got a tiny, germy Jurassic Park. The single straw that's gone unwashed for more than 24 hours can harbor just as much bacteria as a public toilet seat. That's one yucky sucky. Saving the environment is great and all, but it doesn't mean much if you die. But here's the problem. Current reusable straws suck. Pun intended. You can drink with them, but you can't clean them. And that's just crappy. Pun not intended. Dishwashers don't work because they only clean surfaces. They're not designed to get the deep down crevices inside your straws. That's like trying to clean the inside of your car by taking it through a car wash. The yucky is still stucky. You could use a pipe cleaner if you're the kind of person that has time to clean straws with a pipe cleaner and owns a pipe cleaner and carries it around with you and has time to clean your pipe cleaner. Basically, if you're a plumber. Plus, since you can't get a good look inside your straw after you wash or scrub, you'll never know what's still lurking inside. That means you'll be flushing your mouth with a blend of new and old flavors for weeks to come. Moldy spinach cola. So how do you get the straw without the toilet? Introducing the Rain Straw. The revolutionary slide-apart straw that gives you complete inside access for quick, easy, and thorough cleaning. Just sip to drink and slide to clean. That's it. I mean, really, you shouldn't have to do more. I mean, we've invented robots to clean our carpets. This should be easy. So now you can clean your straw however you want. Dishwasher, towel, fingers, that pipe cleaner thingy again, whatever, but probably use soap. The point is now you can clean it and see that it's clean instead of just playing rotten food Russian roulette. And because it's 100% BPA free and dishwasher safe, it won't leach harmful chemicals like other plastics can. Because nothing spoils a drink more than chemical poisoning. Am I right, Snow White? But beautiful lady, if the straw slides apart, won't the air escape? Not at all, random citizen. With the Rain Straw's patent-pending airlock design, we guarantee a no-drip sip for the lifetime of the straw, which is about 1 million years.
Rain Straw from the future.
So make sure to put your straw in your will. No matter what, you get the same easy, clean, no-drip reusable straw every time. Let's see robots do that. They do that. So because you care about your health and basic hygiene, click below and drink clean today with Rain Straw.
Hey Kickstarter, I'm Sean.
And I'm Jeremy.
Thank you so much for taking the time to check out our project today. Kickstarter holds a special place in our hearts because it's where we got our start more than 5 years ago with our very first company. Today, we're excited to bring you something totally new, a cleanable, reusable straw. Not just because it's going to be awesome for you, but because it's going to be awesome for the environment. It's estimated that we use hundreds of millions of straws every single day. So please help reduce plastic waste by backing the Rain Straw on Kickstarter today. Thank you.